Changing your profile picture on Cash App is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your image easily. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on the profile icon or your account balance located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select Profile Picture. In the profile settings, look for the option to change your profile picture. It may be labeled as Profile Photo or Change Picture. Step 4. Choose a new image. You will be prompted to select a new image from your device's gallery or take a new photo using your camera. Choose the image you want to use as your new profile picture. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your new profile picture, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Done button to confirm your new profile picture. Now you have successfully updated your profile picture on Cash App. Enjoy your new look.